Welcome! This is Abby,
And Joy!
and we are on our episode 19, Day!
Yoo-hoo!
Ha? Singer ka,
Lagi,
girl?
dugay na kayo kuan din, no? Ka podcast. Pero this is it na gyud. So, Dai, this is a very interesting topic. But before we proceed, mga episode pasalamat no sa ato mga suking tagpaminaw nga wala gyud ni Bia sa ato ah. So, continue lang pod mo sa pagsuporta sa amo.
Yes, thank you mga avid listeners. I hope na mo'y nakatunan sa amo.
Correct. Share, share,
Oh,
share. And
aha.
for our episode 19, Dai, ang atong topic is the impact of social media on today's life. Diba? Very
Yes.
relevant kaayo siya. Karon nga
Ka
panahon na. Now, Dai,
kaayo.
before we proceed, Dai, magkuhan sa tag statistic, no? Kay, para ingnon nga bright ba?
Ah, vital statistic? Vital statistic, right?
So, according to smartinsights.com, 62.3% of the world's population uses social media. So, the average kunuday of daily usage is 2 hours and 23 minutes as of April 2024. Now,
Taasa, no?
mostly ko no sa mga um, naga-use og social media day uses Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Mauna siya top 3.
I think ang pinaka-popular gid kay Facebook, di ba?
Mm,
Kay ever since sa nauna, Friendster to siya.
correct.
Diba? Remember the Friendster era?
Yes. Present.
Present! Sa mga ka-relate diha, ngayon, panindutan dayon ang profile, kay para ikakita sa crush kay, wow, bongga kayo, na
Bongga
butterfly,
kayo.
butterfly.
Mga anime pa to, no? Mga anime ang mga background ba?
Oh, insertan pag MP3.
Oo. Kuratsa, good.
Mao gyud. Then ang mga kuan na to, ang ako ma-remember sa mga early stage of social media na ko kay kana, then Yahoo pa to, di ba? Wala pa na
Correct, day.
Messenger, Yahoo pa na, then wala pa panindot tayo og emoji.
Correct, good. Correct, good. Napag
Ah,
ito, katong Yahoo Messenger, di ba? Uso pa to
mm.
sa una.
Day kay numdum na ko day, mura siyag Pinterest sa una, multiply.
I see. Oo,
Di
oo.
ba? Nga ara gani
Oo.
ang earliest nga kung karon kay FB live nga magtinda-tinda sa una diha gyud sa multiply.
Mao ba?
Ara ara magtinda-tinda. Sa shala
I,
kayo.
I cannot recall gid ay. Char.
Basta to our avid followers, listener, I mean, 'di ba, comment down below kung kinsa nakarelate sa multiply kasi Joyet murag nakalimot siya.
Muna effect na sa anesthesia day. Wag naglag pang brain.
Mao gyud.
So
Pero
dahil
day,
oh
oo.
yes, carry on.
Unsa may kanang tan-aw nimo like why social media was really invented because they have a benefit for our lives, di ba? Mo man ay
Oh,
purpose
correct.
ana, di ba nganong na-invento na siya. Sa imuha day, what do you think are the benefits of having social media?
That is correct day. So there are a lot of benefits or advantages they know of social media in our society. To name the few, for instance, it connects to people across the globe, especially with the loved ones. Because back in the days, it's so difficult to communicate with your family who works abroad as an OFW. I remember when I was young, we used cassette tapes, letters to communicate with my dad, who then works in the Middle East. Now, anytime daday, almost every day, you can chat or video call with your loved ones, even in your most convenient time. I think social media, in a way, creates a bridge and made communication much easier. Pwede ra dayon ta makamarites, di ba?
Oh, di ba? Perfect kaayo. Marites lagi dayon. Kuan na, digital world na ang Marites.
Yeah, digital world na gid ang mga chismosa.
Mm. We find ways baya sila. Kailang bangko kay BDO.
Okay.
Wow.
also po dai, no, additional lang po is fostering education and innovation and learning based on sharing information by the expert, which enhances creativity. Also, it gives a platform of sharing one's knowledge, collaboration, and even knowing latest research. In addition, they might find it more interactive by the teachers and students with the aid of social media. Old school, di ba? Ang old school sa una, unsa man atong presentation, sa blackboard, na Manila paper,
Yes,
kanang,
panindotay og kanang construction paper.
correct, correct, correct.
'Di
Panindot
ba?
tayo og kanang design, no? Sa imong
Design.
report, day, para sa imong presentation.
Yes.
But now, it
Sala na
makes
kay
it
ka,
easier. Correct.
true. Social na kay ka kung na kay whiteboard sa una na magdala-dala kag
Correct, yun,
whiteboard.
day.
Yeah, yayamanin.
Correct. And also they know marketing and business promotion. For example, if you have high numbers of followers on Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube and other forms of social media outlets, it's easy for you to market your products. You don't have to spend a lot of money for it in order for you to sell the products. It's cost effective. For example, 'di ba? Kisa man antong na more on a famous sa kanang digital marketing katong mga Kardashian si sana Kylie Jenner, 'di ba? She did not spend a lot of money promoting her cosmetic products.
Oh, si Kuan pod, parisan ni
Mm.
Kuan. Kisa to sa Tagalog ba? Ang parisan ni nasikat siya. Kalimot ko. I
Si
forgot.
Kuan, sa Parisan,
Umid.
kanon ay Paris.
Oh, kanang pares ba? I forgot
Katong sa
her.
Paris Overload.
Oh, kana
Oo.
siya. Comment down below, Bikin, sa to siya.
Kalimot
Basta
ko
kailan
sa
mo.
dati pag may tang, kalimutan ko eh. Basta
Gani.
mo to siya.
Di ba? Dali na jud kaayo. Sakto jud kaday nga. Dali na jud siya i-market kay
Mm.
you don't need to pay for a billboard, you don't need to pay for a poster or any signage that you
Mm.
want in order for you to promote it. You just
Cor-
need to you just need an aesthetic lighting, mag-lighting ra ka dyan, then
Correct.
mag-picture ra kag angle-angle diha, post dayon and interaction na ka, perfect. O, di ba?
Mm. Correct yun, day. Sa pamanday, mga benefits, day.
I think you have already mentioned the important benefits of having social media. If I may add on, probably information and news na lang. Like we are now, as me or as both of us working abroad, it's really important to be updated in the current events, especially in the Philippines. At least we know what are the events that are relevant, what are relatable nowadays, especially sa current typhoon, 'di ba? If without social media, we don't know what happened when na typhoon sa Philippines. Mga ingon
Mm.
ana nga ways. Although personally I don't watch news, but in others, it's a way for them to at least be at home even though they are working abroad, but once they got the chance to watch out the news, feeling nila naara sila sa Pilipinas, which
Mm.
is comfort nila, 'di ba? Like kung
Mm.
mag-dinner sila while watching mo ba yan na ato ang routine before, even me before. We have dinner and at the same time we're watching the news. So in ana.
Correct. Correct yun, day. Kuha siya, day, no? Kanang tourism pod, no? Made it easy. Through
Correct.
sharing videos, pictures, and information and feedback, it attracts people to visit certain places or countries. For example, shout out lang kay Koan, kanang YouTuber bito sa Pilipinas nga Koan. Gikan diri si Commander Daot. Malingaw gid ko ana niya kay kanang he's touring around the Philippines, diba? So, para ka ikaw pod parang malingaw pud ka it made you kana bitaw mo interested pod mo travel sa country like Philippines for example kay mura bag feeling nimo nga nakaadto na pod ka through his videos.
Yes.
Mm.
And tinuod yun. Like, kanang example, si Will Dasovich, he's a known YouTuber yun. But
Mm.
through him, kanang, I wanted to travel the world because of the videos and
Mm.
mga posts that he is giving in or he's posting in social media, di ba? It's a good way for you to, have a goal and reach for it, because traveling, I think, it's a best medicine for loneliness. Murag maka-let go ka sa imong mga stress and have a holiday that you really deserve. Ana gani.
Mm. Correct you, Day. So, Day, if ang social media kina ay advantages, na amang gid na downside to it, no? Or disadvantages. Unsa man imong
Mm.
masulti or ma-comment?
So despite its benefits, social media also has a several downside. I can think of number one is like addiction. Nowadays, I can see that excessive use can lead to addiction, and then it can make a negative impact in productivity and especially
Mm,
in your mental health. Like nowadays, people cannot live without social media. Like they are always on their phone instead of interacting to each other, or they made social interaction. They focused more on the likes, the comment about their social media
mm,
platforms, that they tend to forget that to live in the present. I also noticed that most of the most of the people nowadays have mental health issues, or the increasing mental health issues are already present, because when you scroll social media and when you focus more or gave more hours than social media, you know what? It can contribute to a lot of mental health problems,
mm,
including anxiety, depression,
mm,
feeling that you are inadequate due to constant comparison to others. You may not purposely do the thing, like if you mo scroll ka, ganahan na ka kay ma-enjoy, but you don't
mm,
nga matingala na lang ka, 2 hours na ka naga-scroll ba? And if
mm,
you do it every day, 'di ba? It's an addiction, and maka-trigger siya sa mental health nimo, kay you will compare yourself. You will compare na, their social media posts are lovely, are nice. They went to these places, they bought this kind of stuff, and eventually mura na kag mag self-pity.
mm,
And I
mm,
for one, I hate to admit it, but naabot po ko sa point nga ingon ana, no? Katong constantly ko nag-scroll sa social media. I murag na feel na ko nga hala, I'm not good enough, I'm inadequate. Like, layo pa day kog abtununon gani. That's why it's my personal choice of having a social media detox. It's been like 2 years now that I deactivated my social media. It's because for my mental health, and also to strengthen me in terms of social interaction to others and bring back the life that I once had without social media, nga malipayon ko and grateful
mm,
ko. Although dili mo malikayan nga grateful ka, no, but because you're doing it, nahitabo mahabit na manggod nimo siya. You're scrolling everything down, and the
mm,
end result is you wanted more. Kana nga more noon, it
mm,
will make a toll on your mental health.
mm,
It's not because you are not enough, it's just because you keep on doing and scrolling it every day.
mm,
You're visually, anang, you're visually, imo siyang itanaw ba? Then, mao na siya.
mm,
Also po, it's also ang downside sa social media, dali kay mag-cyberbullying diri nga part. Kay media
mm,
platforms can be breeding grounds of
mm,
harassment, bullying, and trolling, di ba? Dali na gyud kay imong bully ung tao karon.
mm, mm,
Anya, ang issue gani padak-on dayon sa mga netizens, ha?
mm.
Netizens. Di ba, ang latest issue karon kay Kasir. Di ba, mga ingon ana ba, murag lisod
Mm,
kaayo. Murag ang dapat i-please nimo ang public opinion, which is
mm,
actually lisod bitaw kaayo siya, kay kanang karon it's easy for them, everyone has an opinion na lang, and everyone has
mm,
an opinion, and dili sila kaantos that they will really need to comment it,
mm,
rather than just reading it, and if you don't have anything good to say gani,
mm,
wala lang. Then kanang murag ang mga tao karon kay feeling entitled kaayo tungod kay lagi nay ma-achieve mga nana, pero it doesn't mean
mm,
to say that pwede na nimo sila, ang ubang tao kay imong matapakan, no, mga ingon ana.
mm, mm, mm.
Ikaw, Day, what else can you add on to it?
So, tanan naman day, no? Mostly na istorya nimo. Ang ako lang ikadugang is, ano day, because of the obsession sa social media, nga unsay lang makita sa social media, murabag, they seek validation and it becomes like, as well as you're seeking attention. Kay mao naman, ay, dapat I need to look a certain way so that people kanang makatan-aw, maka-appreciate sa ako ba? Ana, nga ay, kanang for example, sexy di ay ko, gwapa di ay ko, ana bitaw. Because you're seeking validation sa ubang tao by posting something in social media. Because maumang po di mo nakita po sa uban ni mo mga ginapang browse or tanaw sa social media, which as you've mentioned earlier on, it can also affect or it can really take a toll on your mental health. Kay na tungod ding ana nga mga panghitabo. And also, ano po siya day, kanang lack of privacy and confidentiality. Kay tanan na lang imong kasuko, kalagot, i butang nimo
Vent
sa
out.
social media bitaw because you're so ano ba kana sa imong emotion bitaw nga gusto nimo ibutang sa social media, where in fact daghan kaay mga marites nga nagtan-aw. So what's your goal nganong imong gina-post, like for example kana na mga kaligot-got sa ubang tao, mag-post, mag-mention og ngalan, pero more bag you're putting out there your dirty laundry instead
Exactly.
of
Wow.
like just within, you know, the two party involved nga unta ma-resolve ra siya in a peaceful matter or in a peaceful way. But you
Tinuod.
put it in the social media, maggipiyastahan na nun siya, mudako na noon siya. And then you cannot take it back because daghan ang mag-screenshot. Daghan ang magwag
Ang
ka naman
resibo.
ebidensya resibo. Yeah, that's the correct one. And also dai as you've mentioned about like cyberbullying, harassment, it also a platform or a pulpit for pedophiles, like especially if na kay mga anak nga mga bata pa bitaw or naay mo message sa imo privately asking for like a picture some of a child or even like naala kay ma-post nga something nga in your mind dili siya ka dili bitaw siya ka karabang decent siya pero it attracts pala kuan mga karabang mga pedophilia na bitaw. So
Wow.
just be, it's okay to use social media, but as long as we need to be vigilant and be conscientious ba of what we post or share sa social media.
True. Sakto
Daghan
gyud
pud
ka
biyag
day.
mga hackers daw kuno di ba sa social media. Moingon makadawat na lang ka og kanang message sa imong messenger nga nangayo og kwarta
Or
na
nakadaog kag loto or
nakadaog
nakadaog
kag
kag
loto.
iPhone.
Oo, it can be a platform of a lot of scammers actually. So if you're not wise enough, vigilant enough, kuan gyud ka mailan
Madagyo
gyud
ka.
ka. Mm,
Madala
correct ko
gyud ka.
Patchoy.
Di ba?
Yes,
Correct
Doy.
kaayo.
So
Lagi so
dagan siya
mm,
actually downside, even advantages, but it's just how you use it, isn't it? The social media. So for you, Dai, or for us, di ba naam gyud lessons on social
mm,
media, isn't it?
correct.
Yeah,
Like what I've learned about this digital world era no nowadays kay ma-compare man gud nato atong life before when there was no social media, like ang
correct.
atong phone pa ato kay Motorola, mo pa
Ako first phone ato kay naka-phone pag gyud ko ato ha. First na kong phone is kuan Philips Savvy.
the
Unya ang
uy,
uso pa ato ang dato na kay ka kung ikaw ay na Nokia.
yes, ang pinaka introduction jud ako sa phone katong elementary days katong kong classmate kay Nay Alcatel. Kanagay murag
Wow.
sabon, murag safeguard
Oo,
og
oo.
forma. Ay ko hala dato lagi ni siya ay kana siya Alcatel. Ay
Mm,
ko mo to din naka phone ra ko pag mga kuan na. high school ba? O high school na ako naka-phone pero like third year high school or fourth year pero 8210 to. Nya
Wow.
usok. 8210
Ito,
to
gini mo
gamay
tayo.
ka? Ha? Dato na to di manggod ang dato manggod ato kay kanang nay mga kuan kanang unsa na Motorola Razr kay di ba pink man to then
Oh,
ma
flip,
flip
flip.
flip.
Oh, oh.
Sus dato jud kay ka kung nakaingon ana ba pero na ako kay 8210 okay lang basta naalang ko ikan ng snake.
Oh, itong dula-dula sa snake. Mao gito. Una, oy. Ang snake.
Lagi
Kung
true.
ma-reflect lang iba ba nga, back in the days, as a, high school or elementary days ni mo ba, your life is less stressful
Stress.
and kana siyang no pressure at
Peaceful.
all because you're just
Peaceful siya.
enjoying your youth. Nga magdula ka, mas daghan ang social interaction ba? Social,
Mm,
imo po integration, ma-develop imo social skills ba? Nga,
true.
di lang kay ka puro lang sa imong cellphone, kundi napog kay
Yeah,
time to play outside, sus
true.
makamingaw gid siya day, no?
Mo kami nga
Muli
siya kay
ibalik gid siya day. Mo gina akong
lagi kay
gina-encourage pud sa akong mga kana bitaw mga kabatan una nga
kabatan-unan. Mm,
enjoy outside, play basketball, unsa pa
mm,
na siya dihang mata nga mga dula rather than spending time sa imo lang phone all
true.
day when you don't have any classes.
Tinuod, it boils down to balance day.
Mm,
Balance in terms of learning to balance online activities with offline interactions to maintain mental and
mm,
emotional well-being. Like I said always, no, do everything in moderation. Like nowadays, I can see that people are busy rather than being productive. Being busy is different than being productive. Productive means that you have a goal that or a task that was completed and you feel good about yourself because it's important to be productive. But karon no, murag busy ra ang mga tao ay busy ra social media ba. Dili po taganahan ningon ana po dato ang goal sa life no nga magpaka-busy na lang no kay
mm,
the goal in life to enjoy and be productive.
mm, mm,
Kanang ingon ana ba then we need to be more respectful kay ngano engaging with other respectfully will need to understand the diverse perspective and avoiding cyberbullying at all costs gyud in
mm,
ana akong nakuan and then time management pud day
mm,
like having time management is a good skill for you to develop self discipline like
mm,
example if you admitted that you are addicted to social media like example 5 hours ka naga social media in a day you will cut it off or have a timer sa imuhang
mm,
bedside baro na okay karon 4 hours lang ko once the timer hits it sige i-put down na nako akong phone kanang you make ways for you to avoid that addiction ba because
mm,
eventually it can help you because I myself is a living proof that you can live without social media kay it will help you as a person and it will make your life even better and you are very grateful like ma-practice nimo ang act of gratitude ba na everyday worth it raday ka you are enough you are beautiful no
mm.
matter what they say Char Christina Aguilera.
Christina Aguilera, ikaw ba yan?
Yes, ano, akong nakuha nanday, akong mga learnings about social media ha. Ikaw, Jai.
True day kanang ako lang muad lang ko no true good. I think most of us are all guilty of spending too much time in social media. I myself as well, spend a lot of time in social media just browsing. And then I made a realization that was my stronghold nga. And then I asked myself, how can I change it? How can I change, you know, my time I maximize my time to be more productive and effective. So that's why I took control over my life again and find ways that I can spend my time somewhere else, like reading, writing, going for a walk, which is really help with my mental health, and even doing things that you enjoy and wanted to try. If you wanted to, try playing instruments, that's a good platform. If that can help you spend less of your time in social media. And then, as you've mentioned, then having that time management and discipline, and just making sure that you use social media in a positive way, not bitaw to destroy someone, but karon man good manginto ta ba kay tanan na lang atong lihok ginatan-aw bitaw.
Tinuod. Like example, mag-post na gani ka bisag dili gani imong bisag nag-post lang gay ka kay naganahan ka sa quote. Siya na dayon
Oo,
imong gipadunggan. Kung dito pa gud ka ako gipadunggan. Naganahan ako sa quote and I wanted to express myself by
oo,
posting it, but not necessarily it's because of you, no? Kay ana
oo,
gani. Ma'am ko, hala uy mo unsa na lang day ko sa akong social media.
oo, oo.
Oh, ana
Okay.
gani.
Yeah, ang
Ana
kanang
gani.
mga kaligot-got nimo nga, you're not even pertaining it to someone else, but
Mm,
feeling sa ubang tao nga sila bitaw to, and then they take offend
personally, oh.
they ma-offend dayon sila nga ay kasakit ani niya manulti, then it becomes a bigger issue
Mao
kay
gani.
feeling nimo ikaw ang gipidunggan, and it breaks down to lack of communication kay wala man nimo gi-confront ang person nga gatuo kag kuan, pero wala ra dayto siya out of just as say at so, and just be conscious, and be kuan gid think 100, 1,000 times of unsa gid imong i-post sa social media. So I believe nga if a social media, promotes you promote positivity, or encouragement to other people, then go for it. But if negative lang ang imong intention, di ay na lang ay na lang pandamay sa ubang tao. Keep it
Mao
to yourself na
yun.
lang. Ana
Tinuod,
bitaw.
tinuod. Tinuod yun. Sakto yun kaday. Murag nindot siya nga topic, no?
Oh, ni taga pagit siya na mistoryahan.
Actually, daghan pa gini siya, guys. Pero dili man masakto og 3 ka oras, no? Mura na
Oh,
tag
correct.
masterclass ani. Mura na tag masterclass. Di na ta podcast ani, guys.
Oh, correct.
No? So, maura gyud na akong maingon, no? To summarize it up lang. Kay,
Oh,
have social media is a good overall, I mean, social media is a powerful tool for communication, for community engagement, for learning, for current events, up to date and relatable topics.
mm,
But once you use it too much, it can also affect and make a toll on your mental health, on your personal life, and your everyday living. So
mm.
have it in
That's true.
moderation and always remember, think before you click. Oh, no.
Yeah, that's true. That, and use social media as a platform to make a positive impact. Yeah,
Mm,
to make a change. Di ba, the only constant in this world is
it's
change.
change.
To make a
Wow, mahal.
positive change sa imong community, sa mga tao nga, like your loved ones, your friends, your
Yeah,
colleagues.
tinuod.
Oh, correct.
Correct.
So,
Sige, Day.
Dai,
Mama
mana
gid ni
nag...
ato ang trademark. Mama gid ato ang trademark after every podcast no na atay
Yes, that's
mga
true.
quotes. Sige,
So,
Day. Ako,
larga bula.
larga. In a world of algorithms, hashtags, and followers, know the true importance of human connection.
Sa Bisaya pa, sa kalibutan sa social media nga naay algorithm, hashtag, og mga taga-sumusunod, unta mahibal-an nato ang tinuod nga importansya sa koneksyon sa tao. Quote by Mama Tribe Marketplace.
Oh, so salamat. Salamat sa social media kay naami mga quotes.
Alright, so,
We hope you enjoyed today's podcast and learned a thing or two to become the best version of yourself.
as we always say, every day is a learning.
This is Abby,
And joy, we are truly.
Maka Proud. Till the next one.
See you soon.